Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video of the All About the Base series part 2. Part 2. Alright, it is a gorgeous sunny day outside. I mean, when it's nice, sunny, and the temperature is nice, it sure brightens your day and makes you super happy. So, I mean, I'm feeling all cheery and bright. So today we're doing bright, cheery sunshine colors. But first, let me show you guys the incredible dry results of this painting. I can't even get over this. Again, pink is not the top of my list, but I mean, come on. This actually sold right away. So this painting, I was gonna say this piece, this painting has been claimed and purchased. It's just going to get a top coat of crystal resin and then it shall be on its way. I mean, look at that shimmer. This here is my favorite. The pink shimmer in here. I mean, look at that. This dried so well. I love it. Love, love, love it. So that, as I mentioned, has been sold. Really quick, couple of things, really quick. 2 spots left for my Spokane, Washington all-inclusive retreat. I know I talk about it every video, but every video I have new viewers who have never heard or seen my videos before. So that is why I always mention it. And also to tell you that it's like 3 weeks away. It is coming up June 6th to 9th. Okay, June 6th to 9th. I'm going to be heading out to Washington for an all-inclusive lakeside retreat. For information, there is a website. You can click the link in the description below this video. Saturday, July 19th, I'm going to be in Niagara Falls on the Canadian side, okay? I'm going to be teaching a one-day class, a one-day event, but it's going to be 3 classes. You can pick, the morning class is a blowout class. Second class is a bloom technique class, and the third class is a resin top coating class where you will get to take home a 10 by 10 inch one of my art pieces that you're going to resin on, and then you get to take home. So you get a piece of my art too. You can take 1, 2, or all 3 classes. If you take more than 1 class, there is a discount. So if you want to come to Niagara Falls, you could come from the US, fly over into Buffalo, New York, and then hop on over the border. And it's literally right there. I mean, the event location is just right on the other side of the border on the Canadian side. Just make sure you have a passport. I am officially about 65% sold out in seats. So I've got limited seats available. So if you're interested in coming to Niagara Falls, to come and learn with me and then stay a day or so and I mean do the whole tourist attraction thing. It's Niagara Falls in July. I mean, it can't get any better than that. For information, email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. And lastly, if you saw my video, the last one, I talked about the Canadian Cancer Society. And my son Lucas, who is in grade 9 in high school, has joined the Relay for Life, which means him and his partners in his group are going to be doing a Relay for Life. That's happening on June 6th, but they are asking for donations for their cause and for the Canadian Cancer Society. So if you missed last video, check out the intro of my last video where I talk about it. For those of you who have donated, I cannot thank you enough. Lucas is super stoked. He was 3rd from the top of the list, 3rd highest in his entire school. I mean, we're talking a high school, okay, with hundreds of children, kids, youth, not children, youth. And he's super excited, but today he got bumped down to 4th place. So he's like, oh no. And I'm like, okay, buddy. Don't worry. I said, you still have until June 6th. We'll get those people donating. It's for a good cause. It is to help for research for cancer. I mean, I know everybody out there has or knows or has a family member or a friend. I know I do who has, had cancer, suffered through cancer, been in remission, recovered from cancer, unfortunately passed from cancer. I mean, cancer is just the worst and we still don't have a cure. There is still no cure for cancer. And so, these donations help to the research, for research for cancer and all kinds of other things with the Canadian Cancer Society. So, you know, I posted in Facebook as well, and I've said, you know, I've got 190,000 plus here on YouTube. I've got 463,000 followers on Facebook, and on Instagram over 200,000. I mean, if you just donated $5, just $5, and like 100 or 200 people out of those hundreds of thousands of people, I mean, it makes a difference, not just to my son Lucas, but to the Cancer Society. You know, you don't have to do a big donation. You don't even have to put in your name or your information. You could do the donation anonymously. But I mean, any little bit helps, you guys. Even a $5 donation. Just think about it. $5, 100 people. What is that? $500? I mean, my math is horrific, but yeah, you know, so I'll put the link in the description below, and then I'll also pin it to the comments. You know, if you could donate, that would be a great cause. It's for a great cause. But I'm a competitive person, and so is my son, in a nice way. Don't get me wrong. It's not a competition. I get that. But let's face it, who doesn't want to be the best in their high school, let alone a grade 9 student? I mean, come on. I just want to, you know, I want my son to succeed, and I'll do everything and anything I can to make that happen. So that being said, if you can and would like to donate, Lucas and I would really appreciate it. All right, so let's get started. Yep, Naples Yellow Red. That is the color we are going with today, 14 by 14 inch canvas. I mean, there were a lot of votes. And I'm not gonna lie, I didn't sit and count them all, but it seemed to me that this was the clear winner. Don't stress though, I will do this one too. I will do the red too, so I'll do that as well. I have, not including this one, 3 more canvases left in a 14 by 14. So once I'm out of 14 by 14s, I think the series is going to end. So we'll see. So Naples Yellow Red by Amsterdam, opaque as well. That's my base. Now, I know in my last video I said I got the colors, my color ideas from Pinterest, and I was gonna put the picture of it there, and I totally forgot. You have to forgive me. By the time I record this video and then edit it a day or two later, I forgot what I even said in the video. So I totally forgot to put the Pinterest picture. Today's colors, again, I got from Pinterest, and I will do my best to remember to add the picture of it right here. But if I don't, please don't be mad at me. I mean, I've got so much going on, I don't remember anything. So I always try and remember, but yes, I'm human. Sometimes I forget. All right. I'm doing a lot of colors today, and that goes against my, you know, teachings when I teach in-person classes. A 14 by 14, you should be doing about 5 colors. 6 max. I mean, even 6 is a lot, but about 5 colors. And today I'm using 7. But then again, I've also been doing this for 6 years. So, you know, I can. And you can too. You just do what you want. So we've got Pearl Apricot Orange by Arteza. Then we have Napthol Red Light by Amsterdam. Followed by Dreamy Lemon Yellow by Arteza. Then we have Pearl Tangerine Orange by Arteza. Then we have 24 Karat Gold by Decoart. Then we have Iridescent Orange Yellow by Pebeo. I haven't used Pebeo for so long. And then we have Azo Yellow Medium by Amsterdam. So there's 7 colors. And one of the things I always say in my classes is try and alternate from a regular to a shimmer, regular shimmer in your color lineup. And in this case, I have gone against my own teachings. This is a shimmer, regular, shimmer, regular. Okay, so I've got four shimmers here side by side, which is, I usually say is a no-no. You like to put a regular color in between. However, I only have 2 regular colors. Okay, and never end on a shimmer. I just choose not to. I find that when the shimmers are in the middle, mixed with regulars, they blend better and you get more cells. And so that's my theory, and that's what I do. But in this case, I'm breaking my own rules. All right, so do as you wish. Copy me, don't copy me, do as you wish. Those are my colors. I'm gonna flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, canvas flooded, air bubbles have been popped with the torch. Let's get started with today. And since I have 7 colors, I mean, I'm gonna try and be a little light-handed because oh, there's a floofster in there. Look at that. It's a lot of colors. It's a lot of paint for a small canvas. So let me just do the first color here and keep my compositions the same. Someone had said to me, why am I doing the same compositions for everyone? It's because it's a series, all about the base series, and they're all the same size canvas, so I want to keep it all the same size, or all the same composition, because I just think they would all look really cool like that. So anywho, about Lucas and the Cancer Society. So he is part of a team with his classmates. I think there's 5 or 6 of them. And his teammates have noticed the donations he has. And they're like, Lucas, what the heck? Like, how are you getting that many donations? And so he tells them about his mom and who she is and what she does. And he showed me the texts and they're like, oh my gosh, your mom is famous. We didn't know your mom was famous. When I tell you, I absolutely died laughing. I'm like, famous? I'm famous? That's so cool. They think I'm famous. And he's like, but mommy, you are famous. So even my son thinks I'm famous. It was so funny. But I just absolutely died laughing because I thought it was so funny. And so he said, my friends were like checking you out on social and you know, checking out your art and your videos. And I'm like, that's so funny. But yeah, none of his friends had any idea. And why would they? No, they had no idea who I was. But now they do. And so they're like, that's so cool. But anyways, I thought it was funny. And you know what? Yes, I have a lot of followers. Yes, I have a lot of people who, you know, watch my stuff and follow and subscribe to me. And, you know, if I could use that following and, you know, my followers and my subscription to do something good with, then I have no issue asking or doing things like that if it means it's for a good cause. So in this case, for cancer research, you know, I would never use my following and my, you know, subscribers and my popularity for anything bad or anything like that. But if it's for a good cause and for my family and my son and for, like, you know, cancer research and all that, then heck yeah, I'm gonna ask you guys for help. So anywho, I thought that was absolutely hilarious. Now, colors are down. Let's blow this out and see what kind of peachy goodness we get. Let's go. It's like a sunrise and a sunset all in one piece. This is so pretty. It's so delicate. I love it. Wow, it's very peachy. Very peachy. It really does remind me of a sunset. Wow, I'm so excited. I love when things work out. And so as I sit here and jibber jabber and fix my edges after and all that, more and more cells are just gonna appear. I mean, if you ever watch my videos and you pause the video once I'm done the blowout part, and then you like look at what the painting looks like right after I just finished blowing it out, and then you know, go to the end where I'm about to show you guys a close-up, and you pause the video there, you'll see the difference between when I initially stopped blowing to after about 5 minutes of me talking, how much this has changed in terms of cells just coming up and popping up out of nowhere. I love it. It worked out so well. I love it. And there's nothing I want to do to this. It's so peachy. It's so pretty. I love it. Okay, I'm going to fix my edges and then I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody, before we get to that beautiful sunset close-up, don't forget to take your stick and you want to scrape those drips. I've already done the other 3 sides. So do all 4 sides, come back about 10 minutes later and do it again and you should be good to go. All right, let's check this out. I mean, this is, if this isn't a sunset in your eyes, you're crazy. This is so pretty. It's like a peach and oranges and bananas and just the sunset. So it's all kinds of things. It's all kinds of pretty, but look at the cells. My camera's doing funny things. I should back up a bit. There we go. My camera is doing super funny things, but look how pretty. All right, let's check out the shimmer because there's going to be a ton of it because there were so many shimmery metallic paints. So let's turn the lights off. All right, so lights are off, flash is on, camera's not focusing. Oh, there we go. Yeah, these colors for some reason are really changing when I go too close. I tried the AF lock on the camera settings, but then it just doesn't focus. So you got to pick your battles, I guess. I just want to show you guys the shimmer, which there is plenty of. Wow. I mean, this piece, when this dries, I cannot wait to see how this dries. See, whoa, did you see that? My camera's doing funny things and I'm not happy with it. But you get the idea. I mean, look at the shimmer. Wow, that is a lot of shimmer. All right, let's just turn the lights back on. And there you have it, my friends. I would love to know what you think about this one in the comments below. It is available for purchase. If you are interested, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. Don't forget, Spokane, Washington, Niagara Falls, Ontario. That information is in the description below. And again, if you would be so kind as to make a donation under my son's fundraising page, I and Lucas would greatly appreciate it. And I'll put that link in the description and also in the comments as well. And I'll pin it to the top. So thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.